Acellus science. Acellus. What makes things move? Star Mrs. Glass. Today we're going to be learning about what makes things move. There are some things that move because of something a person do. Some things that move because of an engine. And some things that move because of the wind. Let's look at some pictures. Things that run on wind, engines, and people. This is a bicycle. Bicycle move when someone is pedaling. This makes the wheels turns, which makes the bikes move. This is an engine. Engines can be found inside cars, buses, and wheels run things with engine that make the cars move. And this is the wind. I already talked about wind. It makes the wind move. Now let's talk about things that are powered by people, engines, and wind. Some things like tricycle, which are kinds of like bicycle, like tricycles, have 3 wheels. The pedal, the same way as bicycles, has 3 wheels. They're very easier to ride. Then this is engine. And what is car? Cars have engines. Now engines will power things like cars, trains, buses, and even things like airplanes. And there are some more things that are powered by wind, like sailboats. They use the sail to collect wind to move the boat. So today I brought this car. We learned that cars are an engine. But we're going to be talking about force. And this car, toy cars, do not have engines inside of them, that they are made to look like their cars. So as I push this car, I'm using a force, which is my hand, and brings the car. And if I push backwards, I'm using a force from a fence to push the cars back. So my hand is the force. If no one is touching the car, there's no force. I'm pushing the car to make it move, so it will stay still. Today we've learned that there are some things that use power from people to move, things that move. Power from engine to move, and things that use wind. Now let's do a problem like the one you're going to do. What uses an engine to move? Now look at the picture, and you remember that trains use engine to move. Then click on the picture of the train. Good luck! Science. Welcome to the Science Club. Slide or roll. Today we're going to be learning about sliding and rolling. Let's set up here. This board. The board that we're going to see into slide or roll. One and it's popped up onto the stack of books. this way have one place higher than the other place. We're going to take this, going to put it on here. See the slide, a row. Notice that this board is slid down, which means that it slides. Put the things right here, the thing that rolled over here. I got something else. How about this hammer? Let this hammer on this. Let's see what this will do. This hammer will also slide. I take this ball. That balls will roll. The ball is going down. Of these other things slid down. This ball also will roll. When something is rolling, goes down like this. Things like go down like this. Let's try this. If we try putting this on, it slides. But then when tip this and do the other way, it rolls. So the can both slide and roll. So let's make a pie phrase here for those two kinds of objects. Let's try this. And look closely. You'll see that this truck has wheels. So we'll remember what wheels do. Wheels rolls. So this truck will go with the things that roll. Now we'll put this nut onto the board and we'll watch and see what happens. And see that now it slides. Even if I put it on the board like this, it will still slide. We have another can. It's set on here like this. It slides. I put it on the side and it's rolled. I put into this pile in the center. Now let's try this boat. I put it in here. The boat slides. So we try it on the side, but still slides. And here's a last thing. This roof tape will both roll and slide. So today we've learned what sliding and rolling is. We've learned that the things that are more squared or flies, they'll slide. The things that are more circular, like wheels or balls, will roll. And we've learned that some things do both. Now let's do a problem like the one you're going to do. What would roll? You'll find the ball and you click on it. Good luck. Let's read Acellus language at Acellus. Sour is play. Let's read together. We can read sentence with pictures. We can read play and is. Here goes some reading. See what can happen in the story. Ready? The cat is sad. So what we don't know. It's a bigger sound. A sound for S, a sound for A, a sound for T, is D. Pull together. Sad. The cat is sad. Oh, look at it. Try to be in a cave, and that's right, sad. The cat can't not play. Let's a sound for N, a sound for O, a sound for T. Good. Let's put together. Not. The cat can't not play. Remember this word? Why is sad? You can the man. The sound for A, the sound for N. Let's put them together. The man likes the cat. The cat is not. The cat is not sad. Remember this word, sad. The cat is not sad. He is sad anymore. Now he can play. The man can play. The cat can play. That's like happy story, doesn't it? Remember this word is. Get your finger ready. Remember the word is. I S. Let's try it together. Is I S. But in your mind, let's do one more time. I S. Just see it in your mind. You have to see it in what other places. How about the words play? Write this one. Now fingers ready. Play. P-L-A-Y. Play. Let's try it together. Ready? Fingers ready. That's in there. Let's do one more time. Play. Now, let's see. You can find the word play or is and mix with the word. Now, Magic Rabbit help us? Let's do it. Now, Magic Rabbit, can you help me find the word play? Play. There's a P sound at the beginning. Let's start P. No. Let's see him play. Well, this one. First, that's a P, but that's not play. How about this one? Oh, is. I can see it. P-L-A-Y. Play. Now here we go. Found play. Let's try is. And for the word is. Is without the I. You're right. As this is no. That's an L. For this word. That is. It sure is. I-S. That's it. Good. Now let's see if you find the word play. Play. And for the word that starts with P. And now that's here. It's right, isn't it? P-L-A-Y. Play. And let's see, it's on this one too. It's right over here. Tricky, huh? The one looking for is time. Now I want to find is. Well, all these words start with I. Yes, they do. One of these words is. I-S. This one's right here. It's right, isn't it? I-S. I think you can find play and S all by yourself. Let's read. Let's read Acellus signs. Link it at, okay? Now, I want to see you can find the words play or is and mix with the other words. Ready? A magic rabbit help us? Let's do it. Can magic rabbit help me find the word play? Play like a pizza at the beginning. The right is the word that sounds P. Is that play? No. But it's a play. What is word? Well, it has a P like that. It's not play. Oh, it is. I can see it. P-L-A-Y. Play. So here we go. Sound play. Let's try is. Now we're looking for the word is. Is not the I. You're right. Is this? No. It has the letter F. Is it this one? Oh, it sure is. I-F. That's it. Good. Now the 5 for 5. Now what's play? Play. Looking for words that start with P. I know. Right here. It's right, isn't it? P-L-A-Y. Play. And I see it's on this one too. It's right over here. Tricky, huh? The one looking for is this time. Okay, this is the last video. Goodbye.